Hey there folks, Jaybird here with another lawn video. Well, not exactly. It is storming actually right now. I don't know if you can see that rain in the street. That's what I was going for anyway, but it's raining, so I can't do anything in the yard today. But I can do this. This is the Rachio3. This is a new sprinkler system where I can use this, my iPhone. So the idea here is have a better sprinkler system than the one I got now. The one I got now doesn't come close to using my iPhone. So what is this Rachio3? Well, you can use your iPhone. Let me get my glasses. Sorry. You can create flexible schedules. You can train your roots to be drought resistant. You can customize. You can auto map your lot with this one. You can save water with Water Intelligence Plus. Yeah, okay. Easy installation, 30 minutes or less. Replace any sprinkler controller, compatible with any system. I don't know, man. You can go up to 12 zones, this thing. I have 8. Technically it's 9, but the 9th one doesn't work, so. Okay, so let's take advantage of the downtime in the lawn and do something productive in the garage. So this is my junky garage, or part of it. And this is where I have my sprinkler system, right over here. This is what you would call an analog system. It's what I call it anyway. I won't go through all the settings I have on this thing, but basically you set programs, you set times, you set how much watering time, you set the dates and the days of the week. It's all very analog. I have it a certain way, but you know, it's all set. I can't change it on the fly. My yard has a compaction problem. It's very compacted soil. I've been using Next Products Air 8 and Humic 12 once a month for the past 6 months, and I can tell that's helping. But the reason I bring that up is because my yard is so compacted that I have a hard time watering it more than 10 minutes. If I water it more than 10 minutes, the water just goes out into the street. So what I've been doing is 10 minutes at a time, but I want to do it multiple times during the day, and then when it's raining I want to do it off. So the idea for this Rachio3 is to give me the flexibility to do short watering times, but lots of increments, lots of instances where they're going. So that's the whole reason I'm looking forward to this device, that and because it's neat and electronic. So all right, let's get it installed. Where's my magnetic faceplate? My magnetic faceplate. Oh, it's got a blue thing going on. That's pretty cool. Okay, next thing I need to do is create an account at Rachio and then I connect to the Wi-Fi. Create account, connect to the Wi-Fi. And then you complete the setup online. So, let's go do that. Okay, so that's it. It took me about 45 minutes to do the installation, but I would say, you know, it took me a little extra time to do the video, this and that. So, but still not unhappy with the amount of time it took me to install it and everything. So it's installed. It's on my phone. I won't walk you through all of it, but let's see if I can turn on the zone for you. I'll go to my yard, zone 3, and say quick run. We'll do 1 minute. 1 minute on zone 3. There it goes. That's zone 3. Pretty sweet. Automatic. So I haven't played with the app enough to figure out all the little details, but that's the fun part I'll be getting into now. Command and control. Anyway, that's it for this video, folks. We'll see you next time. I command thee. Let's see, can I make it stop?
Belly, are you swimming? Are you swimming with Boochie? Oh, you don't look too excited. You don't look too excited.
She's so happy.
You're so happy. Okay.